For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
India registered 19,459 fresh cases in the last 24 hours, taking the country's tally of confirmed cases to 5,48,318. 380 fresh deaths were reported in one day. With this, the death toll in the country reaches to 16,475. The discharges continue to surpass the active cases in India. India's recovery is at 3,21,723, while the active cases stand at 2,10,120. As per the latest data released by the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the confirmed cases in India near 5.5 lakh mark, while the number of people who have recovered and have been discharged stand at over 3.21 lakh. The active cases in India are over 2.10 lakh. 16,475 people have died due to the highly contagious disease. India added around 1.1 lakh cases in the last 6 days. Many states have either reimposed full or partial lockdown due to the steep increase in the number of cases. Manipur, Assam extended lockdown amid rise in cases. Telangana might also follow the suit. Karnataka government also announced complete lockdown on Sundays. The state registered over 1,000 cases on the 28th of June. Maharashtra Chief Minister also stated that there was no such plan to lift the lockdown post the 30th of June. Maharashtra continues to remain on the edge with over 1.64 lakh cases. The state has registered over 7,400 COVID-19 related deaths. The state is mulling to reimpose lockdown due to rising COVID cases. Delhi, the second most hard-hit state due to COVID-19, has registered over 83,000 confirmed cases, while over 2,600 people have died due to the deadly pandemic. Tamil Nadu has registered over 82,000 cases and more than 1,050 people have lost their lives. Gujarat has over 31,000 cases and the deaths in the state stand at over 1,800. Last in the tally is Uttar Pradesh. The state has over 22,000 cases, while over 650 people have died due to the deadly virus. As per ICMR, total number of 83,98,362 samples have been tested till the 28th of June, while 1,70,560 samples were tested on Sunday alone. India's recovery rate currently stands at 58.56% among the COVID-19 patients.